Hi again, everybody. I'm going to start with this class fact practice, and it's 112A, so today is Tuesday. I wanted you to take a peek down here. You know how to do these, 4 plus 7, 3 plus 5, 7 plus 5. You know how to go through all of these and add them together, whether you use a manipulative or you know them in your head. By now, hopefully, you're really working on knowing them in your head. But I want to direct your attention down here. It says look and say. So what I want you to do is look at it and then say it out loud, because auditory learners, some people who learn by listening, this will help them. So we're just trying to help other people. Okay, we're just trying to help people who learn auditorially. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, this is going to seem repetitive, but if you're in need of this, then it's a good thing to have. Okay, so 5, and then you're going to write it, plus 3 equals 8. And then you're going to say it 3 times. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And then you're going to cover all this up, and then you're going to try and remember 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay? It's just another way of trying to learn something. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. So at the bottom, you're going to do that one on your own. Okay? Then we will start with our 112A, guided class practice. So they want us to draw a 2-inch line segment. Put your name. Our date today is May 12th, 2020. And our day of the week today is Tuesday. Our tally mark is going to be 8. It says a number 1. Write the number 101. 101 on the place value chart. So on the place value chart for hundreds, we know there's a 100. There's no tens, or it would be 110 or 111. So there's no tens, but we have a 1 here. So 101. 101 and no tens. That's how you would write that number. Circle the digit, it says, that tells the number of 100s. And hopefully, you'll circle that one. Okay. Ashley reads 21 pages of her book on Monday. On Tuesday, she reads 10 more pages. What kind of story is this? Is this a some and some more, or some and some went away? Well, if you look at the words, it gives you a bit of a clue right there. Some and some more. Write a number sentence to find how many pages she read all together. All together, that word there also means that you're adding. So let's write a number sentence. Ashley reads 21 pages. 21. On Tuesday, she reads 10 more. And if you have to look at your hundreds chart, that's okay. For those of you who don't have to look at the hundreds chart, we know that 21 plus 10 is 31. How many pages did she read all together? That means it's an adding question. She read 31 questions. Now, it says to color the cone blue. Think of the cone. What kind of cone do you have? What kind of cone maybe do you have when you're at the beach? it's full of something cold and yummy. Maybe like an ice cream cone? Do you see anything here that looks remotely like an ice cream cone? How about this one? Color it blue. Now a sphere, you may or may not have heard this word before, but a sphere is round. But it's not just a circle. A sphere is a 3D shape of something round. So like a marble, like a cake pop, like a basketball. They are all round, like a sphere. So it would be this one. Okay. So it says circle a dozen donuts. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's circle a dozen donuts. Color half of the dozen donuts brown to show that they are chocolate. Miss Sally doesn't have a brown, but I have a pink. So let's color them pink. Color half a dozen brown or pink. So 2, 3, 6. Okay. If we have pairs of these, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of them. But if we colored one out of every pair, then we would have half of. So remember, half a dozen is 6. Okay, use your calendars, boys and girls, to answer the next questions. Okay, we can answer, what was yesterday's date? Well, we know today's date is the 12th, so what date was it yesterday? May 2020. Now, what day of the week will it be tomorrow? Well, if we know that today is Tuesday, for those of you who said Wednesday, you're right. If you have to look at a calendar, that's perfectly fine. It's a good strategy. Sorry, guys. So down here it says 59 plus 10. If you're looking at your hundreds chart, it's pretty easy. It's the number right down below. So it would be 69. 74 plus 10 would be 84. And 16 plus 10 is 26. At the bottom, you've got fill in the correct comparison number, greater than, less than, or equal to. 12 is greater than or less than 2. We know that it is greater than 2. 24 is less than or greater than 25. We know that it is it is less than 25. And 9 and 9, hopefully we all know that 9 and 9 is equal to. Have a good day, you guys. Get outside and enjoy some sunshine if you can. Take care.